Out here on the homestead, Shea is always on the move, and her paws take a beating. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 100% natural dog balm that I can use as well.
So if you don't know what a double boiler is, obviously you got your boiler, and then you got a boiler inside the boiler, but you don't want to touch on the bottom because the heat will transfer through. You only want it to be heated up by the water. Anyway, simple shit. So, my spoon. So I'm going to throw 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I'm going to throw 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets. We create as we go. Throw 1 tablespoon of shea butter in. Okay. It's a beautiful thing. And so with our essential oils, lavender and rosemary are non-toxic to dogs. We're just going to use a couple drops of each. That's probably toxic though, those fumes. We'll throw in 1 tablespoon of this, and we'll throw in 2 of this, and then I'll put in 2 drops of each of these. Anyway, good shit. Okay, we're almost melted here. Okay, let this cool off for a bit, and we'll apply it. Now, as you can see, I put a little bit of the stuff that wasn't done yet on my beard here. I'm pretty impressed. Man, it feels pretty good. I mean, it's baby butt smooth on the fucking skin. I think that's the shea butter that does that. But really, it's just a smart spark touch. That's what does it. But that's neither here nor there. I'm going to go ahead and put this on her feet, even though it's not cool off, just to see what we got. Come here, girl. Alright, let me see. Whether it's liquid or whether it's a solid, I think we're going to be okay either way. Let me see. Come here. Yeah, I think this is going to be some nice stuff, actually. Hold on, girl. Hey, knock it off. And like I said, it is dog safe, so she can lick it all she wants. It's not going to do anything to her. But I think it's going to help. And I would imagine that because it's nice and warm, it would be probably pretty soothing. Okay. Good shit. Yeah. Stop licking the shit off my beard, fuckhead. Okay. Much better. I think this stuff is going to be a lifesaver. Okay, guys. That's all there is to that. See you later.